Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. Now how to find I1 and I2 currents in the given circuit by using mesh analysis. So here two voltage sources are given. So one is 10 with phase angle 0 degrees volts, another one 20 with phase angle minus 90 degrees volts. Now how can you find current I1 and I2 by using mesh analysis? So mesh analysis is nothing but loop analysis. So here two loops are there. So apply KVL equations. So for loop 1 and loop 2 we get two equations. So from that we get I1 and I2 values. So first of all I am going to apply KVL for the loop 1. So in the loop 1, so here this is plus and this is minus the source. So according to voltage source, this is the direction of current. So here the direction also given in this direction. Now write the equation. Source voltage is 10 with phase angle 0 degrees volts, that's equal to the sum of voltage drops in resistor and inductor which are in this loop. So in this the current is I1, so voltage drops across this I1 into their impedance values. So that is I1 into impedance of resistance plus impedance of inductor, that is J400, minus of here external current, that is I2 was entering from downside, means minus of due to the I2 whatever the voltage drop take place across inductor, remove it, that is I2 into I2 passing through inductor having impedance J400. Now it becomes, so it can be written as complex number form, that is 0 plus that is 0j plus 10, that's equal to, so I1 here 2k plus J400 into I1 here minus J400 I2. So it can be written as just 10, that is 10 equal to 2k plus J400 into I1 minus J400 I2. So let's consider this is equation 1. This is for loop 1. Now find for loop 2. So here the source voltage is 20 with phase angle minus 96. So first of all convert this into complex form, we will get 0 minus J20, that is minus J20. So instead of Phasor form I am going to use complex form. So J minus J20, that's equal to sum of voltage drops in capacitor and inductor. The current drop passing through this is I2. So I2 into sum of their impedances, that is minus J 1000. Next inductor plus J 400 minus of the due to current I1 whatever the voltage drop take place in inductor, remove it, that is minus J400 into I1. So here we are writing the equation in this direction. So for voltage plus 2 minus will be the current direction, but it is given in the reverse direction. So at that time take the source is minus of. Now it becomes J20 thus be equal to, so minus J400 plus J400, nothing but minus J600. So minus J600 into I2. So just adding the values here. So next here we get minus J400 I1. So this is second equation. So by solving these two equations, because this equation is in terms of I1 and I2 and here also I1 and I2. So by solving these two equations we will get the current values, that is I1 equal to 0.0025 minus J0075 and I2 will get minus 0.035 plus J0.005. So these are the two current values, required values for the given problem, and this is the process of simplification by using mesh analysis for finding currents. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.